Hey friends, welcome back here. This is from bioshop.ru, and today this is the new sneakers. So I show you a short review of this pair. If you want to copy this one, please check on my web link, and you can check more details there. And for more questions, you can contact us. And here you can take the shoes. And this one is for off-white Nike Air Rubber down low, and this is the black color, and also we will have other colors coming soon. So you can focus on my web link to check more details. And this is the black one, got the off-white tag, and other shoes also got the orange tag. For the Nike shoes, is the green rubber, and the last lock along the whole side. You can take it like this, the pretty smooth one, and also got the mesh material on the shoes, and also got the shred material on the rubber, the midsole, and the air rubber, the green part, and this black part is the shred. The shape, the design is very good. And the body color is the mesh. In the front, you can take from this black shred, and the both parts very similar with the eyes, very cute. And this part is rubber, and also the black shred here. The shoe arm is the black mesh, black shoelace. On the shoelace, got the shoelace is letters. On the top, Nike off, and also is unfinished cut off shoe arm. And the desk lock on the shoe, desk lock also very special here. In the middle, this black shred used as the desk lock, very special on this part. And the body inner side got the tag of white test. For the design, that the material is the same as the other side. The body back side, the shape, this kind of stitching, and also got Nike here and there. Very good. Inside, the back side of the shoe tongue got the test, and the shoe part the same as other off-white Nike Dunk, and the side tag. Okay, so for more details, you can check on my web link. This is the new off-white Nike Air Rubber down low. So this is the review of this pair. Thanks for seeing. See you next time.